Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to fit text in a box Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Click right click rectangle. Fill color. This use color. Cross. Press. Oh sorry. Hold shift click and drag it. Then click the text. Right click. Horizontal type tool. Text color white. Text size. Choose your or select your text size. Then click for this box. I copy this text, press Ctrl C, copy, press Ctrl V or paste. Double click, resize. Okay, then click OK. Again double click, go to window, add character. Click for character, then show these options character, paragraph, fill. Fill this icon. Okay. Now we can see this fit text in a box. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.